Hi Year 5, just a quick video to show you how to put a picture of yourself into today's slides that are called All About Me. Now, ideally your parents can send you an email with a picture of you in it. That will be sent to your Nudgy email account. Now, once it's there, I've sent a picture of something to my email account, so I will click on this and this picture will come up, my dogs. Now I will go to this arrow that's pointing down to say download and click it. And you'll see that it flies up to the top of your screen and then it will be on your desktop here. Now you can go back to your web browser, click on your All About Me activity, and this is where you want to paste it rather. So I can press this arrow up here and I can drag the picture into the slides. It's sideways for some reason. Let's fix that. There we go. And I'll just pop it here. Okay, that's all that you need to do. Good luck.